Flickering your phone screen, don't panic, fix it in minutes. As you can check out, I am this is flickering now. So if your phone is flickering like this, you can get many solutions. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Now first solution for this, first fixes for this is just restart your phone. If your phone is flickering, restart, switch off it for few seconds and again start it. And if your phone heating a lot, just cool it down. It can be solution for your phone screen flickering. Check for software updates. Yes, if your phone is not updated, just check for it and update your phones and softwares or apps. Adjust display settings, put your phone on auto brightness if it's suitable for you, and it will be solution for your phone flickering. Hardware problem, you may have your phone's screen is damaged, then what you can do, just get replaced it or get a service center visit. You can get a solution for this. The main, and I don't want to let you know and I don't want that you do with any people, sell off your mobile phone, sell to anyone. And the main and the brahmastra is for this is factory reset. Copy your mobile phone's data and factory reset your mobile phone. It will start work like a new one, and that's the solution for flickering screen of your mobile phone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.